भी आपसे छिपा के नहीं रखा गया, कोई सा भी ज्ञान छिपा के नहीं रखा। धीरे धीरे सब बता दिया है और धीरे धीरे और बता दे। लेकिन आज कम से कम इतना तो आपको तय करना चाहिए कि हाँ, हम रोज ध्यान करके अपनी प्रगति करें। रोज हम ध्यान करें, इतना समय तो लेना ही पड़ेगा। इतना अगर आप हमें आज वचन दे दें तो हम सोचे कि आपने हमें हजारों फूलों से भर दिया।
ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री महालक्ष्मी महासरस्वती महाकाली त्रिगुणात्मिका कुंडलिनी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री कलकी साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ॐ तमेव साक्षात् श्री कलकी साक्षात् श्री सहस्रार स्वामिनी मोक्ष प्रदायिनी माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः। ॐ नमस्ते गणपतये त्वमेव प्रत्यक्षं तत्त्वमसि त्वमेव केवलं कर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं धर्तासि त्वमेव केवलं हर्तासि त्वमेव सर्वं खल्विदं ब्रह्मासि त्वं साक्षात् आत्मासि नित्यमृतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवत्वं माम् अवक्तारम् अवशोतारम् अवदातारम् अवधातारम् अवानुचानमवशिष्यम् अपश्चातात् तव पुरस्तात् तव उत्तरातात् तव दक्षिणातात् तव चूर्ध्वातात् अवाधरातात् सर्वतो मां पाहि पाहि समन्तात् तं वाङ्मयस्तं चिन्मय तं आनन्दमयस्तं ब्रह्ममय तं सच्चिदानन्दा इत्योषि तं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि तं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं तत्तो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं तत्तस्तिष्ठति सर्वं जगदिदं तैलमेष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं तयि प्रत्येति तं भूमिरापो नलो नीलो नभः तं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि तं गुणत्रयार्तीतः तं देहत्रयार्तीतः तं कालत्रयार्तीतः तं मूलाधारस्थोऽसि नित्यं तं शक्तित्रयात्मका तं योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं तं ब्रह्मास्तं विष्णुस्तं रुद्रस्तं इन्द्रस्तं अग्निस्तं वायुस्तं सूर्यस्तं चंद्रमास्तं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्सरो गणादिं पूर्व उच्चार्य वर्णादिं तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारा परतरः अर्धेन्दुलिसितं तारेण रिद्धम् एतत् मनुष्यरूपं गकारो पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वारा शान्तरूपं बिन्दुरुत्तरूपं नादसन्धानं संहिता संधिः सैषा गणेश विद्या गणकृषि निश्चित गायत्री छन्दः गणपतिर्देवता। ओम गम गणपते नमः। एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात्। एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशमङ्कुशधारिणं रदं च वरदं हस्ते बिभ्राणं मूषकध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पैः सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमच्युतम् आविर्भूतं च शिष्ट्यादौ प्रकृते पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरा नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमः प्रमथपतये नमस्ते अस्तु लंबोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिनी शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः।
all the insecurities that we have. Mother, we know that we are protected by you always. Shri Mataji, please make us completely fearless person, full of confidence and courage. Om त्वमेव साक्षात् श्री जगदम्बा साक्षात् श्री दुर्गा माता साक्षात् श्री आदिशक्ति माताजी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः. Let's put our complete attention in the left heart and right hand on left heart. Shri Mataji, by your grace, we are only pure spirits, Mother. We are only pure spirits. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Shiva Parvati Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Let's place our right hand back on the lap. Complete attention in the Muladhara Chakra. Shri Ganesha, we are going to be worthy of your attention. Please make us innocent so that we are in your attention. Shri Mother, you who are Shri Ganesha, please give us wisdom and discrimination. Mother, please give us wisdom to introspect and improve ourselves. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Gauri Kundalini Mata Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. O Mother Kundalini, please rise and purify all our chakras, our heart, our mind. Remove all the impurities. Please connect us with the divine power of your love. Let we become the channels to spread the love of Shri Mataji all over the world. Mother, we surrender to you completely. We surrender in your thy lotus feet. Let's bring our complete attention on the Sahasrar. Shri Mataji, please put your lotus feet on our Sahasrar. Let the divine vibrations from your lotus feet flow and fill each cell in our being. Mother, Let each cell in our being enjoy the Chaitanya. Enjoy your love. We will do prayer to Sri Raja Rajeshwari. विश्वेश्वरी त्वं परिपासि विश्वम् विश्वात्मिका धारयसीति विश्वम् विश्वेशा वन्द्या भवती भवन्ति विश्वाश्रया ये त्वयि भक्तिनमरः प्रणतानां प्रसीद त्वं देवी विश्वार्तिहारिणी त्रैलोक्यवसि नमिद्ये लोकानां वरदा भवा. O Queen of the Universe, you are its guardian. In the form of the universe, you are its receptacle. You are worshipped by the lords of the universe. Those who are devoted to you become the refuge of the universe. Be pleased with us who are prostrating at your lotus feet. O Devi, the remover of all the afflictions of the universe. O Devi, who is worshipped by the dwellers of the three worlds, please grant boons to all the people. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Let's recite 21 names of Shri Mataji. We will take short mantras. Complete attention in Sahasrar. The Sacred Mother, who gives the highest knowledge, Brahma Vidya, to her devotees. Shri Shri Mata. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Shri Mata Namo Namaha. The Great Empress, Maharadni. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Maharadni Namo Namaha. Emerging for a divine purpose, whose rising has a divine effect, Kundalini. Shri Devakarya Samudyata. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Devakarya Samudyata Namo Namaha. Beyond family, caste, race or measurable dimensionality, residing in the Sahasrar, beyond the family of the lower chakras. Akula. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Akula Namo Namaha. The one who cuts the knot of illusion in the solar plexus, allowing the devotee to perceive the unreality of body, mind, etc., and losing the sense of limited I-ness. Shri Vishnu Granthi Vibhedini. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Vishnu Granthi Vibhedini Namo Namaha. The Queen of Bhava, that is Shri Shiva, and giver of life to the whole universe, Shri Bhavani. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Bhavani Namo Namaha. Fond of devotees, Shri Bhakti Priya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Bhakti Priya Namo Namaha. Realized by devotion, Shri Bhakti Gamya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Bhakti Gamya Namo Namaha. The bestower of happiness and divine bliss, Shri Sharmadaini. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Sharmadaini Namo Namaha. Unsupported, as you are the support of the entire universe, Shri Niradhara. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Niradhara Namo Namaha. Unstained by any limitations whatsoever, Shri Niranjana. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Niranjana Namo Namaha. Untouched by any karmas or dualism, Shri Nirlepa. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirlepa Namo Namaha. Pure, Shri Nirmala. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirmala Namo Namaha. Faultless brilliance, Shri Nishkalanka. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nishkalanka Namo Namaha. Eternal, Shri Nitya. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nitya Namo Namaha. Formless, Shri Nirakara. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirakara Namo Namaha. Unruffled, Nirakula. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirakula Namo Namaha. Beyond the three gunas, Sattva, Raja and Tama, Shri Nirguna. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirguna Namo Namaha. Indivisible and complete, Shri Nishkala. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nishkala Namo Namaha. Desireless, having everything, Shri Nishkama. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nishkama Namo Namaha. Indestructible, Shri Nirupaplava. Om Tvameva Sakshat Shri Nirupaplava Namo Namaha. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Shri Mataji, please make us one with you. Please give us the thoughtless and doubtless state so that we can enjoy the Niranand. Please make us one with you, Mother. Please make us one. Jai Shri Mataji. Shri Mataji, we thank you for all your blessings, Mother. We thank you that you have made us connected even in this crucial period through our Sahasrar and through the technology of Lord Krishna, who is uniting us even in this remotely times. Thank you, Mother. Many thank you to you, Mother. Shri Mataji, please forgive us if we have done any mistakes during this meditation. We bow in thy lotus feet, Mother. Please keep us in your lotus feet always. Make us your instruments, the pure instruments, and your channels to spread your love, to spread your message. Thank you, Mother. Thank you very much. Jai Shri Mataji.
खंडवारा आहे sign which deals with the sun and
You talk a little bit.
on the Nirian one that deals that is based on the moon. See, the moon is the Buddhist thing, and so we Indians follow the moon. And here they have tried to establish how astrology is so correct, and whatever is predicted 14,000 years back is also today coming back. But this is about 2,000 years back. One of the great astrologers of this place, not Sholapur but little downward, Karnataka, he described about this thing so clear cut that, I mean, you will be amazed that he said that this great yogi will come on this earth on the Meena Rashi, Pisces. So I am just on the
cusp of the Pisces and the Aries, you see. But that's not so important. Then he says that gradually we'll start seeing some miracles from 1964 to 66, which he says that maybe little bit. But he says the real change, Manvantar, in the age, the new age, he will start from 1970. And by 1980 it will take its grip. Alright? That time, by this new method, the new age will be formed, and the old one, Vaivastava. You see, there's another, we have yugas, you see, one of the yugas will be over, and that yuga is in Kali Yuga. So that's how Kali Yuga will be finished, from 1970. Will be start receding back, Kali Yuga. And a new age of active divinity will start, Kruta Yuga. New age of active divinity, Kruta Yuga will start. That time, the sun will rule in a new way, the sun. The axis of earth will be reduced, and the speed of the earth will be reduced gradually. And that time a great Mahayogi will be born, who will be completely Parabrahma. Completely Parabrahma. That's me. And he will possess all the powers to do or not to do. Means Mahakali and Mahalakshmi. All the powers. All the powers. Before this, people used to go into bhakti, devotion, jnana means reading, Patanjali yoga, and then they used to get their mokshas. But with this new method that this Mahayogi will bring in, the pure power within you, in your chakras will rise, and as a result the Kundalini Shakti will be awakened and will be enlightening. Because of this new method of Mahayoga, you will see with your own eyes, and you will get it in this body in your lifetime, the realization. And you will get the joy of realization. Imagine 2000 years back. He is greater than Blake, I must say.
What's his name, Mother?
His name was... क्या लीले नाम कैसा? Bhujandar Kaka Bhujandar. His name was Kaka Bhujandar. Acharya Kaka Bhujandar. Sattvacharyya. You don't have to sacrifice this body. Many people, great saints, sacrifice their body in living condition. They went into a cave and shut themselves and died. That's not necessary with this new method. And you won't die either. Means you will achieve your spirit. And the साक्षात्कारी संत, बघा शब्द तरी कसा आहे.
Sakshat.
The realized souls, the saints who are realized, the Brahmananda, the joy of the Brahma by this new yoga. And they won't have to go into samadhi. Samadhi is where people just sit down, go on meditating for hours together, and the ants grow upon them and all that is not necessary. Just without doing anything like that, they will get their realization. And they will enjoy the joy of Brahma. Sahaja Samadhi. This is Sahaja Samadhi according to me. Among millions, first one will get realization. So you understand your own position. You see the way sometimes we fritter away our attention in nonsensical things, you realize that among millions you are one. This is written here. We fritter away our attention in useless things like my husband, my wife, my children, this, that and that. So it is written here that among millions one will be selected. Do you follow that point?
मराठीत म्हणतात हजारात बाजार लाखामध्ये देख पहा कोटीमध्ये असं हे वारकरीच म्हणते मला एक तुम्ही बोलताय हे असं आहे हजारामध्ये बाजार लाखामध्ये बघा आणि कोटीमध्ये एक
Then all the human race can get over their death or their destruction by this yoga. You'll have to lead a life, a married life, a normal life, may not marry, but like a normal householder. Otherwise you cannot get this yoga shiksha. Like if you become a big saint and a sadhu baba or a guru or something great, you cannot. You have to be a normal householder, maybe married, may not be married, is not the point. Samsari means living on this earth. In the brass tacks, as you say.
grassroots.
Grassroots.
With brass roots.
No,
Grassroots.
Grassroots.
But brass tacks are
Grass,
what?
yes.
Brass tacks.
That's going to be English.
Basics.
Down to the basics.
Grass.
Down to the basics. I'm getting American now.
I think that's British, mother.
Is it?
I think brass tacks is British.
Now what is American for that?
I'll have to think about that.
Oh, think it over.
I'll tell you. Nitty gritty.
Nitty gritty. Then all your diseases will disappear so fast with this yoga that you won't need anything like a hospital. In the beginning, these great yogis, you people also, only by touching people you can cure people. It's a fact. Like the Ardhanari Nateshwara is the Shiva, that will be the state of human beings. Their old age will disappear, their body will remain as it is, and they will have a body which is divine. What a promise! So don't worry too much about your bodily comfort. Right? Then maybe some of you, if you want, you can fly in the air also. With that body. Also they can become subtle and can enter into the body of, that already you are doing. Enter into the body of others to get them cured. That already you are doing. They will not be touched by the fire and any weapons. Also you will be able to see these subtle things with your own eyes. You can see them. This will not only happen in India but all over the world. India is a country of great punyas. That's why there are powers which will look after the protection of this country, and this country will gradually rise. He says that the Third World War, when was that?
We only had two so far.
The Second World War finished in 45.
Maybe there'll be another one.
Third World War.
They may have go for a Third World War and they will have to suffer for it. After that, this great incarnation will interfere, and all the countries will come together with the understanding of collective oneness, and they will understand that war is so horrible. In a very big, I don't know which one, in a very big city, a conference of all the countries will be held. There, not the politicians but the yogis will direct them. Yogis, he is called to yogis throughout. This might be the third war we had with
Korea?
China, maybe.
The Korean War?
No, maybe China, because he says that because of China's aggressive policies and the Third World War, we will have to bear a lot of
Lion?
lot of you will have to bear lots of problems, you see, and these we'll have to fill up the gaps. But through prayers, we'll be able to unite all the countries.
Could be the Vietnam War.
By the new inventions of science, the divine knowledge and the science will become one.
Right. All right. That's inevitable.
With the science, we'll be able to establish the existence of God and of spirit. That is how there will be no difference. There will be coordination between the science and the correlationship between the science and the spirit or the divine knowledge. Already we are getting it because you see on my photograph people get vibrations. It's a science. You see on the television, mantras, all that. If you start clearing through scientific methods, we are also using the science for that purpose. We can prove that these things can be carried by magnetic forces, by sound, all these things. We can prove it. Then he says that because of ignorance and because of Maya, yogis had to suffer a lot to become collectively conscious, Brahmaic, to feel the Brahma. But now, and they had to do a lot of penance. That was so difficult. Will become sahaja. This is the word, sahaja. Sahaja prapta. Sahaja. And you don't have to give up anything to achieve Brahma. in the new yoga system, when it will manifest in the different countries, in the new age, the administration will be governed by people who have their own powers of yoga, depending on how far you are in your yoga and their qualities as yogis. That will be the determining factor. They will be able to create a society which will completely fulfill their desires and their necessities, and people won't need to have money accumulated with them. The poverty and sickness will be completely finished, and in their absence, the country, the samaj, the society will be healthy and restful and without any anger. They have described here about the China attacking India now. These are other places, but this is quite a good thing. They have also given the name of Jacqueline Murray. She is an American lady. Jacqueline Murray.
M-U-R.
They don't spell. This woman had depicted about me, and she had said that a great personality will be born in India, a lady. She said about 1924, I was born in 1923. About correct. But Kiro has said that by 1980, the new advent will start a new age. There's a difference of 10 years. This is good. There's a lady called Alice Bailey. She's supraconscious, I believe.
Yes, she is, madam.
And in supraconscious state, she has said that there will be a new, you see, because Indians have all their attention on yoga, you see, so there will be a new yoga which will come, by which people will be connected to the Holy Ghost. She has said it, this horrible one, Alice Bailey. There's a danger of a third world war and is inevitable, but it may be avoided if people develop love for each other with this yoga. God bless. There's a lot of things, but I have just read a part of it.
Let this be our prayer that it all comes true, Mother.
Yeah. Now this is another thing, What's that? This one is a tape about what Jnaneshwara has said about this new age. What will happen? The translation of that is with me, but it is in Marathi. I have to translate it in English. See, that how people will become realized and what will happen and how they will love each other and all these things he has said, Jnaneshwara. And it is sung in this record by a very well-known singer of India, Lata Mangeshkar. And this they want to give. Side one is Jnaneshwari and another is Om Namo Ji Adya Devi. And Pasaidan. That is the second part. Now this is one they want to give it to Warren, and you can tape it and give it to everyone.
Thank you.
Wonderful. Good out. This is the sari they have got for me from Solapur.
Perfect for you.
9 yards. This is in 9 yards.
Where to?
This is a place known for its handiwork. And I wish you had bought some of these bed covers here. You get very good bed covers. It's a famous place for bed covers. This is to be kept inside the bed. So this is the one they gave me yesterday. They give my another piece. All right. Here you don't have to wear a petticoat. You have to wear that kind of a thing at the back, see, as the goddesses wear. This is. Yeah. You want to have a photograph. तुम्हारी केस में ठीक रहता है?
असू दे फोटोत काढून अंगच निघतो
डोक्यावरून.
पदर घे असं हा पदर बस आणि हा फोटो घेऊ दे.
Could you send one to?
You must send them a photograph.
Barbara, would you make sure that you send a photograph to them?
Take their address. And before leaving, we thank all of them. With your heart, and say that we thank you and we've been very happy here. Right?
Hugo, would you? Thank you.
हेच की तुम्ही लोक आलात आमच्यातून जर व्यवस्थित जर झालं नसेल काय तर क्षमा करा आमच्या हातून कारण इतकी लोक आले आम्हाला जमलं नाही लहान जागा आहे आमची इथे पुढल्या वर्षी आम्ही चांगली व्यवस्था करू तुमची तरी या असं काय आमच्या हातून चुकलं मागत असेल तर क्षमा करा असं म्हणायचं.
फ्रेंड्स आपण सर्वजण माताजींच्या समवेत सोलापूरला आलात आणि आम्हाला जी काही जेवढी शक्य होती तेवढी आम्ही आपली व्यवस्था ठेवायचा प्रयत्न केला आणि तो आपण गोड मानून घ्यावा आणि याच्या पुढेही काही जे कमतरता असेल त्याच्याबद्दल आम्हाला कल्पना आहे काय काय गोष्टीची आमच्याकडनं काही कमतरता झाली पण पुढील खेपेला याच्यापेक्षाही जास्त सुधारणा माताजींच्या आशीर्वादाने आम्ही करू शकू आणि त्या दृष्टीनं आपल्या सर्वांचे आम्ही आभार मानतो. आणखी पुढच्या वर्षीही असेच आपण यावं आणि आम्हाला एक तऱ्हेचं आपली सेवा करायची संधी द्यावी एवढं म्हणून मी आपले आपली कृपा.
सराव परदेशी सहयोगी आमच्या हातनं जी म्हणजे हे सहयोगी जास्त होते लॉज कमी होते त्यामुळे ह्यांना थोडासा त्रास झाला डॉक्टरांना तर याबद्दल मी अगदी मनपूर्वक त्यांची सर्वांची क्षमा मागते आणि ते जरी थोडे नाराज झाले असतील तरी पण त्यांनी नाराजी काढून पुढच्या वर्षी नक्की यावं आम्ही अगदी व्यवस्थित त्यांची सोय राखू.
बरोबर.
तुमचे नेत्रपट्टी सेंटरचे तुम्हाला
बोला बोला, 1 मिनिट बोला.
तुम्ही त्याला इंग्लिश मध्ये
हो सांगते.
परमपूज्य माताजी आणि माझे प्रिय बंधू भगिनी सहजयोगी, मी जे काही 2 शब्द आज बोलणार आहे ते आपण शांत चित्ताने ऐकून घ्या. खरं म्हणजे मला आज असं सारखं वाटायला लागलंय की आमच्या ह्या सोलापुरात दिवाळी दसरा तर उगवलेले नाही ना. असं म्हणतात, येती साधू संत घरा तोच दिवाळी दसरा. आज आमच्या सोलापुराचा हा दिवाळी दसरा उगवलेला. आम्हाला आज इतका आनंद होतो आहे की म्हणजे काय करावं आणि काय नाही या काहीच समजेना. आणि या तुम्हा सर्वांचे आभार मानावेत आज तेवढे थोडे. तुम्ही आल्यापासून ते या क्षणापर्यंत आम्हाला असं वाटतं की आम्ही हवेत तरंगतो आहोत का, खाली आहोत का नाही, काय का स्वप्नात जगत आहोत असंच आम्हाला वाटतं. भयंकर आम्हाला आनंद होत आहे तुम्ही सगळे आलेले पाहून आणि इथे राहिलेले आहात. आणि तुमच्या सहवासात आमचे 2-4 दिवस कसे गेले हे काही कळलं नाही. तुम्ही आलात तर तुम्ही बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी आम्हाला शिकवलेल्या आहेत आणि आमच्यापासून तुम्ही कितपत शिकल्या नाही हे का आम्ही सांगू शकत नाही. या वर्षी तुम्ही आलात आमच्या काही कारणामुळं म्हणा थोडीशी तुमची गैरसोय झालेली असेल. आम्ही जे काही एक लॉज बुक करायचं ठरवलेलं होतं ते मिळू शकलं नाही, पण जे काही मिळालं त्यात तुम्ही आनंद मानून घ्यावा. आणि जर काही आमच्या सोलापूर पुणेकर बंधू भगिनी सहयोगी बंधू भगिनीच्या हातनं काही चुकामका झाल्या असतील तर आपणा सर्वांची त्रिवार मी क्षमा मागत आहे. आणि अशा तऱ्हेने तुम्ही वरचेवर या आणि आपलं हे बहीण भावाचं नातं आहे त्याचं वृद्धिंगत करा. आणि अशा तऱ्हेने आमच्यावर तुमच्या अखंड प्रेमाचा झरा वाहू दे एवढं सांगून मी सोलापूर सेंटर मार्फत आपणा सर्वांची ऋणी आहे, आभारी आहे.
See, all of them have spoken with such love and such feelings that it's too much for me to translate. So I am myself now filled with that great feeling that must be, they are saying that you have come here because of that. We have become aware that there are celebrations are on place, and we feel that great festivities have started in our hearts. We are so very happy, and we cannot express our happiness. What has happened to us, we feel we are just floating in the air. We don't know how we spent our time. We never and we are my brothers and sisters and their brothers and sisters, and keep this fact in your heart and let it grow in your heart. And then we have done some mistakes, not deliberately, but it happened that we tried to reserve some halls, but it wouldn't, and it's a small place which wouldn't give you a place, but you have a place in our hearts. And inconvenience has been caused. 3 of them have been saying the same. So we want to beg of you guys that please forgive us if we have inconvenienced you or troubled you by anything. And we are very, very at fault because something had gone wrong with us. I think that we could not arrange stay for some people, and the people of the lodge also reached us and they didn't give us proper guidance. But next time we'll arrange very well. Don't be angry with us. If you have any anger, you all should forgive. And Damle's father also said that we have not been able to look after you, and the little girl also said that we have not been able to give you the conveniences and everything, so you all please forgive us. And but we ourselves have enjoyed at your coming, and we are gainers. We gained a lot from you, learnt a lot, the way you had shown patience to our mistakes. And also we cannot say that there's anything to learn from us, but whatever we have tried our level best, but sometimes happens like that. So forgive us. And they have been asking for forgiveness.
to solve the bottlenecks in spreading Sahaja Yoga. For example, if they need some material help in to get the possibility of renting the halls, to talk to people, or distribution equipment, whatever, we might, see whether we could help in one way or another.
That's very kind of you. हे म्हणतायत की तुम्हाला जर काही अशी वस्तू हवी असेल किंवा अशा काही इतर कोणची अशी जर भौतिक गरज असली तर आम्हाला कळवा, ज्यांनी तुम्हाला लोकांना काही कळवायचं किंवा तुम्हाला काही इन्स्ट्रुमेंट्स हवे असले किंवा तुम्हाला म्हणजे भौतिक कोणची तुम्हाला गरज असली तर आम्हाला अवश्य कळवा, त्यांनी आम्ही तुम्हाला मदत करूया. आणि दे वॉन्ट टू ऑल्सो थँक यू फॉर गिविंग देम अ टेप रेकॉर्डर and all the photographs and everything that you gave. Their presents I'll give you in Pune. Because again the carrying will be a problem for you.
Mother, more than anything, from all of us, we want to thank them for their love.
Yes.
Jai Mata.
Jai Mata.
बोलो जगन माता श्री निर्मला देवी की आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी की परब्रह्म माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी की.
Alright, so I think you go ahead now, finish the things and enjoy yourself. Yes. I may be there in